Okay, this is the first part on the Brother Speedio. I've never cut anything on it yet. I've just done a dry run, set up everything. You should be good to go. Cutting this block of aluminum is for a angled fixture plate, so we can NPT, thread, and tap the top plates. So, here we go. Rapids are turned down. We're at full speed. Got the compressor to go off too. So, as you can see, a little bit hard to see in this light, I guess. It's got a nice pattern to it. It's not too worn. I obviously comically drilled this very, very slow, but I didn't really look up speeds and feeds for that, and I have a pretty crappy high-speed steel drill in there right now for that operation, so I just went for something pretty slow and packed and no coolant and all that. But you can see that the milling went just as expected. Looks nice. I'm happy with that for my first milled part. So yeah, let's get one of these guys. We are going to take one of these top plates and bolt it to this plate with, I've turned some, we have a standard M10, and then I've turned some little plugs here, which will drop right in there, and then this fits perfectly into the top plate right onto that taper. So, and then this will bolt all the way down to that plate, and then we will hold this in the vise, and that'll give us our pressure gauge hole angle of 20 degrees, and we can then drill and tap that with NPT, which we have a carbide drill and a NPT tap right there in our tool position 1 and 2. So we should be ready for that pretty soon. It won't exactly be high output production with just being able to drill and tap one at the moment, but I will be making more of these, and this whole table we can eventually make a fixture and load down with several parts and getting things into gear. So pretty exciting. First chips, everything you can see. No coolant as of yet, as I mentioned, but we got lots of aluminum everywhere. And I was showing a different video, or maybe this video, and I'll just cut it together, but we have a lot more stuff that goes on with the mill. That's an overall look of it at the moment, right next to the lathe. Thanks for watching, guys.